band, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to their amazing Peruvian flutes. Brings us the cherubs of light that dance above us, reminding us that love never fades. It only changes form. Each glow is a message from heaven, carried by angels of peace. They fill the night with hope, and they fill the night with divine joy. Ladies and gentlemen, feel the peace as these cherubs take that joy into the afterlife. And let's hear it one more time for Grupo La Gloria. Carrying the souls of their loved ones. Their wings tell us that endings are beginnings, and love always finds its way home. Tonight, their fluttering blesses the river with renewal that our friends from Groundworks bring you today. Watch as this fall these spirits fly back home to Mexico. With music, marigold, and memory. So let the traditions of family and faith light the way.
Cuánto tiempo disfrutamos de este amor.
insignificant piece of grain. To us, it's corn, it's maíz. And I like it in a cup, I like it on a cob, I just like it. That cemeteries shine with laughter, song, and candlelight. During the Day of the Dead, families flock to the cemeteries to honor their loved ones. The Pantheon is where love gathers, providing a bond between the living and the departed that never breaks. It's a joyful reunion written in the petals and in the flames. In those cemeteries, we build the ofrenda. How many of you have an ofrenda in your house for Day of the Dead? That's right, leaving grandma and grandpa that beer they love. Maybe that fun that Muertos. Maybe that big cards they like to play with you. Something that brings that spirit back to you. And our friends over at the Pearl, well, they have an amazing ofrenda, and they're writing in on one here today. You see, the ofrendas are made with love. They're made with visible things like food, keepsakes, and they welcome the ancestors back home. It's not about loss, it's about connection. And each candle lit tells a story still alive in our hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, as you light your ofrendas and you see the ofrendas around San Antonio, remember the flame that burns bright for your loved one in your heart. energy of bringing us the árbol de vida, or the tree of life. Now this connects every generation. Those roots run deep. It's those roots that hold memory. It's branches that reach toward the light, just like us. It reminds us that every life adds a new branch to the story of creation. And ladies and gentlemen, let your branches and your leaves shake. The tree of life is here.
I see we got a big group of journalists here too from all over the country. How you doing, everybody? Good to see you. Now, from every branch of that tree of life, we get the remembrance, the joy that blossoms again. The ancestors are now among us, dancing through the garlands and the laughter. The night grows louder with procession, and you can hear that procession building downriver. You hear that, folks? You feel it? Oh, I feel it. The beat of the drum carries every heartbeat before us. Music bridges time, keeping our ancestors' joy alive at every note.
It's the pulse that reminds us life and spirit never stops dancing. This float, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see features a performance by the one and only Urban 15. Make some noise for Urban 15. because the next one's the spirit of agave. Now, what do we use agave in? Anyone know? No, I think you can do better than that. What do we use agave in? Tequila! That's right! From agave's heart comes tequila and tradition. Now, our next float honors patience, endurance, and raising a toast to life itself. Every sip tells a story of land, labor, love. If you got a drink in the crowd, lift it up, and let's say cheers together to tequila and to whatever else you're drinking out there.
One with tequila beer without mariachis, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the Churchill High School mariachi group. Let's listen to them in. Let's hear for the Churchill Charger Mariachi Band. Oh, I'm surrounded by La Catrina, the elegant lady of death that surrounds us here, ladies and gentlemen. Here she is right here. Beautiful, the elegant lady of death. Graceful and fearless. La Catrina laughs at death and invites us to live boldly. Her smile reminds us that joy is eternal. She's the queen of celebration, dancing between life and the afterlife. So I know you can sway like the Catrina here. Sway to the music, feel the smile, and embrace that when you pass away, your spirit lives on happily.
even after loss. Now, our friends at Community First Health Plans remind us that the Alebrihans are wild, colorful dreams. We have 2 Alebrihans right here on stage right now. They're proof that imagination connects us to the divine. They show us that creativity itself is a kind of magic. Their color and form keep wonder alive. Of remembrance alive. Thanks to our friends at Soren Credit Union for bringing this beautiful, beautiful poem of remembrance to life here today. Remember, life's a joy, and it should be celebrated even after it's over. This one's with music, flowers, and laughter, celebrating life's journey together. One joyful ride at a time, it carries the rhythm. Community and celebration wherever it sails, just like our friends from Pepsi who are riding that party boat here tonight. And let's hear it for our Little Day of the Dead celebrators on board.
Nos
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to listen to what's coming. Because the flowers tell life's story through color and scent. They remind us that even when petals fall, their beauty lingers in memory. Each blossom tonight celebrates life renewed. This float features a performance from the Alma Jahina Dance Company. I want you to cheer them on as they come through. They're dancing on a moving river barge with a little bit of wind behind them. It's not as easy as it looks. So you cheer them on, San Antonio, and let them feel that Day of the Dead love. Something to do on a Go Rio boat. Now Go Rio wants you to know if you're ready to rumble. Behind every mask is a heart and courage, and the luchador reminds us that strength and spirit always rises again. Their fight celebrates the fearless energy of Mexico's soul. Proud is just one cultural celebration that we love. We love our city. We love our people. And we hope you choose San Antonio for all of your celebrations. Gracias, San Antonio. Gracias y que pasen buenas noches. Viva Día de los Muertos. Long live Day of the Dead, San Antonio.
Perdón si no te supe amar, yo sé que merecía más amores como tú.
Let's hear it one more time for all the floats, but most importantly, let's hear it. Let's hear it for Yemen. San Antonio, the party is not over. This is not how we end Day of the Dead. We're going to come back with another band. Bear Brass will be here in a minute. Check out La Villita, the after party at Casa Hernan. Go check out Las Palapas in Labor Plaza. We have put on an amazing celebration for you. Thank you for celebrating with us. And remember, tonight when you go to bed, and the next day, and the next day, keep that flame, keep that loved one right here in your heart. That's where they will forever live. And you don't need Day of the Dead for them to come back and speak.